Introducing Reolink Argus PT, the completely wireless pan-tilt security camera providing all-round home protection. Easily connected to Wi-Fi and charged by battery or solar power. Entirely wire-free installation at your front or backyard, right under the roof, or even in the rain. Smooth pan and tilt right on your phone. Cover almost every angle and every corner. When motion is detected, you get notified instantly.
Can I help you?
See color videos even at night. Watch your beloved family members and be a part of them
I'll be right home.
wherever you are. Reolink Argus PT, the 100% wire-free battery or solar-powered pan-tilt security camera. Added peace of mind in every corner around your home and neighborhood.